Keep looking ahead. Brake clutch, quickly, quickly.
Okay, no one.
Okay.
Right, let's go.
Roll, let it roll. Into first gear.
For some reason the accelerator is my best friend, I don't know why.
Now look right, you can't see.
No.
Look left. That was beautiful. Hi guys, and welcome back to Clearview Driving. My name is Amin. I'm doing another driving lesson with Ella.
Hello. The favourite, obviously.
Today is driving lesson number 3.
Yes, number 3.
Okay, so last lesson,
yes.
What did we do?
We got to do the the clutch a bit more because I was having trouble with that, and going right turning. Right.
Yeah. Okay, so scanning for pedestrians generally when it comes to turns, junctions.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with what we were doing last 2 sessions, which is just moving off, going into second gear, stopping, left turns, right turns, and then our T junctions are going to come into this as well. You know, where we have to go to the end and stop, then look. We've kind of done a few of those.
Oh yeah, we did
already.
that last time, and I struggled a little bit with it.
Yeah. So we're gonna kind of start on those today. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So when you're ready.
Yep.
If you guys are new to watching this channel and you enjoy watching this content and you're actually learning a thing or two, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, let us know what you're enjoying about Ella's driving series, which I didn't know was going to be a series, but here we are. And if you want to check out Ella on any of her socials, everything is down there.
Thank you so much.
She's quite cool.
Quite is an understatement.
Not like me.
Really. Oh. Okay.
So when you're ready, let's start the car. Keep the clutch down when you're starting, it won't stop that. Okay, so we're going to go and try out some T junctions. Yeah. And some left and right turns.
Yes.
Okay, so when you're ready, show me how you'd move off, please Ella.
Okay. There's a car coming. So
I don't even see the car, but you need to get into gear.
Yep.
See, that car we could have definitely gone before.
Yeah, I just want to, for good measure. Oh,
don't signal in front of
them. Oh, Christ.
Otherwise they might start waiting for you.
I hope he doesn't. Okay, no one.
Okay.
Right, let's go.
Right foot should come off the brake and over to the accelerator, otherwise you might start pressing the brake without realising. Good.
That's right.
Speed up a little bit more. We're going to take that first road on the right. Can you see the road?
Just
there, road name sticking out, gap in the houses.
Oh, there. Yeah. Okay.
Mirrors and signal. Top from right mirror, yeah. Keep going forward, go to the halfway point and look forward and steer. Make sure you are looking ahead before you make the turn. All good?
Yeah.
Back on the accelerator gently.
Yep.
Now after this parked car,
I'm going to put my foot on the brake a little bit.
Yeah, make sure after the parked car we come back to the left hand side.
Okay.
And then keep it there.
Okay.
Now you see the green van, check the right mirror.
Yep.
But don't move too far.
Oh.
There, that's it, because we still have the chance of oncoming vehicles. Now come back to the left after the van. There we go. And then straighten and keep driving.
Okay.
Back on the accelerator. You don't need the clutch. Bit more pressure on the accelerator if you can. All good?
Yeah.
Anyone behind you?
Yeah.
Okay, keep your position like this, little left, and just hold it. Step off the accelerator gently. We're turning left just after these 2 trees as a turning coming up. Check top, check left, signal left after the first tree. Now just gently brake a little and just look down the road and steer. Okay, and then back on the accelerator, check behind once you've turned into a new road, yeah, and then focus again. We should stay on the left for a little bit longer there and then come back into the middle after the park, when the parked car turns up.
Okay.
God, I can't talk. Now here, we're positioning on the
left.
Perfect. Now you see where that car's reversing? Okay.
Yeah.
We're actually going to turn left just before it anyway, so check top, check left, indicator on. Can you see the road?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you're looking in the road from over here. There we go. Good, nice. Back on the accelerator, so we're not going to bother moving into here because the car's too close. Look down the road for me and then check behind you as well. Now you see this grey car in front. After it we want to move back to the left, but once it disappears from this corner here, Ella, slowly tilt.
Okay.
Yeah. Keep your hands on the wheel and just
What?
drive.
Oh, drive. Okay.
As in, we don't want to keep driving in the middle of the road for no reason.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Because someone might turn up. Now check what's behind.
Yeah.
Just drive in the middle again.
Of course.
Now after this next car, there's nobody else, right? So come back again the same way.
Okay. Okay.
Does that make sense about your position?
Yeah.
Because we don't want to be over there for no reason.
Yeah.
Now keep it along this bit. Now we can see a parked car, so check what's behind and that side as well. Slowly come out, but not too far. Now we've got our first T junction and we're going to turn left. So check top, check left, signal left, start braking, clutch down fully, but don't brake heavy. Just focus on the junction, not on looking. Look at that line and just gently brake. Very nice stop. As soon as you're here, the first thing you do is this.
1.
Yes, please. Now look right, you can't see.
No.
Look left.
I can see.
Yep, and ahead because we've also got a junction in front, so look right. You can kind of see behind the red car that there's a gap, right?
Yeah, there's no.
Okay, look ahead again, look left. So that's how we're looking, like this.
I got you.
Come off the brake, over to the accelerator, look left, look right, lift the clutch halfway, hold it, start steering, look again. Good, hold it, turn back.
Sorry.
Don't look at the car. Now
Sorry.
drive on the left-hand side.
Drive the left-hand side.
And come off the clutch as well.
I need to change
Good,
gear.
now listen, yeah, go for it. Clutch up slowly, now start braking for the car. Come here, brake, clutch, quickly, quickly. Brake
Sorry,
clutch,
sorry.
just brake
Oh,
clutch.
sorry.
Literally just that.
Oh, okay, sorry.
We don't want to keep going closer to this car.
Okay.
Now into gear. Okay, so when a car turns up in front, both of us can't fit in the middle, so one of us had to stop. And we were going downhill, it was a lot easier for us than for her.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now just check what's to your right, Ella. And we're just gonna, if it's clear, we're just gonna keep going.
Yeah.
Just check to the right and come off the brake and start steering. Clutch lower, turn it the other way, and just brake again if you need. Come back to the left. Don't change gear on this one, okay? Now we're gonna take that road on the right where the yellow bollard is.
Oh god, yeah.
Stay on your side, you can see a car coming.
Yeah.
Keep going, gently. Check top and right's indicator on. Look ahead again, Ella. Keep looking ahead. Brake clutch quickly, quickly. Very nice stop. Now come off the brake and look where you're going and start steering. Hold the clutch, don't lift it any higher. Turn it back. That was beautiful. You see how that car turned up out of nowhere?
Yeah.
Keep going on the accelerator.
Okay.
Keep going.
Okay.
That's it. Okay,
Thank
now
you,
listen to
yeah.
the car.
Yeah, I need to change the gear.
Just do it. Don't tell me.
Okay.
Hold it. That's it. Good. Now we have another T junction.
Where we going?
You're going too close to the curb. We are turning left. I will always tell you.
Okay.
Check this mirror. Signal. Start braking, Ella. Keep braking lightly, lightly, lightly.
Sorry.
And make sure you fully come to a stop. Into first gear. Now look right, look left, look right. Clear?
Yeah.
Come off the brake. Start steering and hold the clutch. Hold, your clutch is too high.
Oh, sorry.
We don't want to move out like that.
Okay.
Turn it the other way. You see how we kind of came out like this and then tucked in? We need that turn to be a little bit tighter than that.
Yeah, cool.
Keep it on the left. Oh, I just realised where I'm bringing you up to.
What?
We have our first stop junction coming
Oh,
up.
bollocks. Okay.
This is a stop junction where we have to come to a complete stop. So you can see the sign, you can see the road marking. Start with the brake, not so close to the curb.
Sorry.
Let it roll, let it roll. Into first gear. If we stop too early, we can't see anything. Hold it there now. Just stop. Just stop. Okay, I want you to look at where the line actually is. Can you see where it is?
Really far from it.
Okay, now if you look to the right, can you see down the road?
Absolutely not.
Can you look to the left? Can you see
No.
anything? So you see, this is why this is a stop junction.
Yeah.
So you can't see anything, even if we were up there.
Okay.
So first we need to get up there and we're going to stop again. So right foot over, clutch foot up, 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 hold it there.
Okay.
A little bit higher, a little bit higher. Now start to lean forward, now clutch down, we are stopping again, and brake. Now how's it looking?
Better.
Okay, let's go again.
Okay.
Up,
Whoa.
up to the biting point. Keep lifting, get your foot off the brake, up. Look again, keep looking like that. Keep looking, very nice, keep looking. Don't accelerate too much.
Sorry.
Very nice.
Cool, okay, thank you.
Now keep going, back on the accelerator. Bit more pressure. You can hear what the car needs now.
Gear change.
Done. Very nice. Nice.
Thank you.
Okay. Do you get why that was a stop junction?
Yeah, because there's like a million different roads. Like
And plus, even when we get to the end, we still have no idea of the road because you can't see it because of the angle that it's kind of like made at. All right, so we're gonna make a right turn. Can you see the give way sign? Can you see where the end of the road is?
Yeah.
So we have to keep on the right because we're turning right. Yeah. Keep on the right where the triangle is. Keep on the right. Here.
Sorry. Oh,
Here.
Christ.
Brake clutch, Ella. Gently. Now put it into first gear. Check right. Check left. We're clear? Feet ready? You're checking those two.
Yeah.
Up that road there. Start getting your feet ready. Right foot over. Clutch foot up and hold. And then steer gradually.
Sorry.
Turn back. Don't accelerate. Don't accelerate. It makes things a lot harder for you.
Okay.
Back on the accelerator gently just now. Gently. Okay, now you can hear what the car needs, right?
Yeah.
Wait for it. That's it. And then? Is anyone behind you, Ella? Okay. What speed are you up to?
15.
Good. Keep driving.
Okay.
Keep it nicely at 20. It's a nice big road. Now, what do you see in front?
I see a...
Okay, what does this white sign tell you?
Well, this one?
This big white sign here.
What?
That roundabout sign right there.
Oh, roundabout, sorry.
Accelerator on.
Okay.
Keep accelerating gently. Come on, we're a bit too slow for it otherwise.
Okay,
Now, pop the brake on. We're just going straight. Is anybody on your right? Keep it moving. Keep it moving. It's clear. Just follow the cyclist.
Okay.
And we're just going straight.
Okay.
Okay? Now this cyclist is going to go around the car, so I want you to check the right and just move over, but just step off. You need to check that mirror before you move over like that.
Oh, sorry.
Okay?
Sorry, yeah.
Less steering.
Okay.
As well. Alright, good. Keep going for now. Now, do you see that grey car on the left? We're going to turn left just after it.
Okay.
Okay, so check top, check left, signal. Start braking, please, Ella. No clutch, just brake. More, a lot more on the brake. That's it. Now step off the brake and steer, both hands. Good, and turn back. On that, gradually turn back. Remember, we want to be on the left there.
Yeah, okay.
On that last road, you did go slightly over the speed limit after the cyclist. So be really careful.
Oh, I'm gonna get arrested.
No, you're okay. Keep your position in the middle because these roads are a little bit tighter now.
Alright.
Now, can you see the hazard line in the middle of the road, the white line?
Yeah.
That's bringing us to a T junction.
Okay.
We're going to turn right. So check top, check right. Do not move left, Ella. Do not move left.
Sorry.
Start braking. Come back now, fully.
What?
Clutch.
Oh, sugar.
Clutch.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. Put it into first gear.
Okay.
All right, you know when I was telling you to check your mirrors, it's just like a quick check. You know, you're turning that way, you check those two. Okay?
Yeah.
But you want to make sure you're not moving your position in the road.
Yeah.
Okay? But you see that last car on the left? After it, we want to come back.
Okay.
Because currently, if you look at your position, where are you?
I can't see anything. Well.
Take a deep breath. No one's around us. Look at your position in the road.
Oh,
where are we
in
positioned?
the middle.
You're in the centre.
Yeah.
Okay. So we don't want to be in the centre, especially not at a junction.
No.
So we should
be on the left.
Okay. Now don't worry. There's no one. Literally, we could be sitting here all day. No one's here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mr. Man's just gonna cross. He can see you. He's got plenty of space. He's not concerned. Now, which way are we going?
Left.
Right.
Right.
Indicator. Okay. Move your right foot over. Lean forward so you can see past that. Look left. Lift your clutch a little bit, but do not let go, okay? Keep looking. Keep looking. Anybody?
No.
Okay, hold the clutch and steer. But we don't want to steer loads because we want to be in the middle because of the parked cars. Now come back, come back. All good?
Yeah.
On the accelerator.
Yep.
Now we're going to take this next road on the right, just there. Can you see the road name?
Yeah, this.
Yeah, come back to the left-hand side of the road. Yeah, but come back to the left-hand side a little bit. So we're turning in there, so check your mirrors.
Okay.
And then?
I need to
indicate
and also drive.
Just look forward and then look right and then steer. And then?
Okay. That's good.
Good.
Don't even know if I indicated then.
You did.
Okay.
I think it clicked off near the end when you straighten the wheel. Which way do we go?
Right.
Do not move your
No, we're
position. You're getting too close to the cars.
Sorry.
Do not move your position. Start braking. Yeah, good. Now we're going to stop because we've got that give way again, haven't we?
Yes.
Clutch.
Wait.
Fully. Clutch. Brake.
Yep.
Remember, we hadn't looked yet.
Yeah.
Get ready.
Going left, yeah?
First gear. Yeah, you have to go left. Can you see the arrow?
Yes.
So signal on. That's what I was trying to get you to notice earlier. But then the parked car thing happened. Now look again and hold the clutch and just steer. Hold and steer. Don't lift it any higher because we don't want to shoot out of here either. Good, then turn back. Clutch down, brake. I don't think he's waiting at the... No, we're good. Sorry, I wasn't sure what they're doing. Go forward up to the red sign. Sorry, it's just because they're sitting in their car. I wasn't sure. Clutch down, turn a bit more. All the lights are green, just keep it rolling in that middle bit right there. Good, you're pressing the accelerator?
Yeah.
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 Good, now just keep the car in the center of this space and just keep going round.
Okay.
Now we're going to take a left turn after that house. Can you see the house in front of you?
What, here, yeah?
No. Keep driving.
Oh.
Keep driving. After this house, we're turning left. So signal left now. Go round to the right as if you're turning and keep the wheel like this for now. And look at the pavement and steer towards me. And look down the road. Good. And then straighten up.
Okay.
Good. You can hear what the car needs.
Yeah, good.
Don't look down though. Clutch up. All right. So how are you feeling about today's driving lesson?
I feel good. Yeah, I actually feel a lot more confident. I think you put me in situations where I was like crapping myself and then I was like, oh, it's okay, I can do that.
It wasn't so bad, right?
No, it wasn't actually bad at all. No.
How were the right turns today?
Okay, they're better, but I need to actually do it at the right...
Yeah.
I can do it, but not at the right time.
I think it's just a matter of everything kind of falling into place at the moment because as soon as your attention goes on something else...
Yeah, I think because you have to be so specific with where you're actually turning, like you have to be at the line. And in my head I'm like, this doesn't matter. You have to be at the line.
And plus, because we're approaching the turn, you're like, oh, I don't want to miss the turn, so you end up just turning early.
Exactly. So I don't... Exactly. I'm like, I don't want to miss it, so I'm just going to do it now and it's completely wrong.
And then you're like, oh, too early, too much. It's a lot of the overthinking as well.
It's overthinking, yeah. I think obviously the time would be fine, but...
T junctions.
Yeah.
Would you say you're able to identify them now?
Yeah, I think so.
The hazard line.
Yeah.
The triangle on the floor.
Usually like something... Oh, no, yeah, it's quite easy
The
to
giveaway lines,
Yeah, the giveaway lines.
So a lot of the ones that we approached today were actually crossroads, but I feel like identifying them and actually stopping by the end, that was all quite nice. It's just when we started to go a bit faster, something fell at the back.
Oh.
It's just when we started to go a bit faster, then it got a little bit tricky.
Scary, yeah.
But all you've got to do there is...
brake. Yeah. For some reason the accelerator is my best friend, I don't know why. Oh, no, I don't know.
Clutch control was nice today.
Thank you. Yeah, I mean, changing gears so easy now.
Oh, that wasn't even an issue.
Yeah.
After that first little blip we had, it was done.
Yeah.
You were like, yep, got it.
Got it, yeah. Trying to change gear and also maintaining speed is slightly different though.
Yeah, but just make sure you're already at the right speed so that once you're changing gears, it doesn't drop too slow.
Too slow and you're just stalling. No, not stalling, but you're slowing down.
That's it.
Yeah.
But I think the actual gear change is a lot quicker now, so that's really good. So you won't even worry about the speed with that.
And because I was going past 20, I had to... my car was telling me to go 33, yeah.
There were times where she was driving, she was like, oh, the car doesn't sound right. Yeah. And I'm like, yeah, you're over the speed limit.
I'm driving like a maniac.
But you see, you could hear
that
something needed changing.
It pisses you off because it's so loud and annoying.
But that's your clue that you should change
the gear, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Alright guys, that is the end of another driving lesson. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video and even learnt a thing or two. If you have, don't forget to like this video.
Please,
comment down
like
below.
it.
Let us know what you've learnt or if you've picked up on anything that I haven't mentioned, and subscribe to this channel. Select that bell icon so that you get notifications from her videos.
Exactly.
And check out Ella on all of her socials. Everything is down there.
Come on.
And that's it for another driving lesson.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.